Hi, welcome to today's video. I'm going to be covering the 6 top foods for PCOS. But before we jump in, if this is the first time that you've seen one of my videos, my name is Hethir Rodriguez. I'm an herbalist and nutritionist, and my team and I help couples who are preparing for conception, those who might be going through fertility issues, those who want to just make sure they have a healthy pregnancy, or if you're preparing for medical fertility treatment. We help everybody through natural therapies, diet, herbs, supplements, all of that. But today's video is going to cover the top 6 foods for PCOS. And if you want to learn more about how to eat for PCOS and why it is so important and so beneficial, please watch my other video, PCOS and Diet for Fertility. I go into great detail about that and the power of diet. So these foods aren't the only foods that you are going to eat on a daily basis, but they're foods that you want to make sure to have an abundance in your diet of. There's other foods that you can eat, but these ones have some special compounds that I wanted to bring to light so you could understand the power of food and how you can actually use food as medicine. So the first one is going to be leafy green veggies. Leafy green veggies have a lot of great compounds in them. One of the main ones is going to be fiber. Fiber helps the body to get rid of excess hormones. Another compound is folate, and folate is needed in the very early stages of embryo and implantation for developing baby. You want to make sure everything is on track, and folate is one of the most important nutrients during that time before you can even detect a pregnancy. And then also leafy greens are just really high in minerals. It's going to have selenium, zinc, a lot of the different minerals that are really important for overall fertility health. The second food is salmon or fatty fish. Having fatty fish frequently, a couple times a week, is really beneficial for 2 reasons. One, it's high in omega-3 fatty acids, high in protein, but the omega-3 fatty acids are anti-inflammatory foods. And inflammation is something that we want to help to reduce in most fertility situations, but specifically with PCOS. We want to reduce any type of inflammation that might be happening and causing damage to the cells. Omega-3 fats. So eating a diet that includes a lot of different healthy fats, such as coconut oil, avocado oil, olive oil, and cod liver oil, which you would supplement with. And omega-3 fats are going to be needed for healthy hormone production, as well as reducing inflammation. But omega-3s are super important, so making sure you're getting some food source of that every single day. Another one of the best foods I think for PCOS is actually going to be broccoli. And this can be, anything in that family. So you could have kale, you could have Brussels sprouts, but broccoli is really accessible and a lot of people know how to cook that and make it taste good. So broccoli is great because it's extremely high in fiber. And again, fiber is going to help with hormonal regulation, getting rid of excess hormones in the body. And it also has a compound that we like to use as a supplement called DIM. And it's found in cruciferous vegetables in smaller amounts in the supplement, but it's nice to get it through your food as well. So broccoli is a great choice for that. The next is going to be berries and low sugar fruits. And you might be thinking, oh, I thought with PCOS I wasn't supposed to have any sugar. Well, the benefit of low sugar fruits is you're going to be introducing antioxidants into your body. So berries are a great example of that. Kiwi is another example. They have a high amount of fiber in them, so that's going to help with the blood sugar regulation aspect of it, but they have antioxidants. They've got compounds in them that are going to help protect and support egg health, which is important with PCOS because damage can be happening from the insulin resistance and from the inflammation. So having low sugar berries and having those antioxidants in your diet is going to be very important. And then the last food is going to be nuts. So some examples might be Brazil or almonds. Those are very high in different compounds such as zinc and selenium again, that are really good for fertility, chromium. And the thing with Brazil nut is you just need 1 a day and you're going to get huge benefits from that. Almonds, you can eat them raw. Most of these nuts are best raw because once you cook them, a lot of the compounds can actually be compromised. But adding nuts into your diet, you can make nut milks, you can have it as a snack. Macadamia nuts are really great. So adding those foods. So those are my top 6 best foods for PCOS, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, you can get in touch with us at naturalfertilityinfo.com.